Hello everyone and welcome back to another tutorial from Finance for Beginners. In this video, I'm going to show you how to create your new wallet on the Bybit application. So let's get started right away. First of all, open up the Bybit application on your device and make sure that you are logged in using your credentials. If you don't already have an account, you can check out the sign up video for Bybit. Now once you are within your homepage, tap on the Web3 option at the top and this will take you into Bybit Web3. Here you will now see the option to create your Bybit Web3 wallet. Go ahead and tap on it and you will need to provide your fingerprint or biometric verification to proceed forward. You will now be provided with your seed phrase, which consists of 12 random words. You can copy this onto your clipboard and then tap on the Done button. Make sure to store your seed phrase, as it is the only way to secure your account and access it in the future. After tapping on the Done button, you will now be asked to provide various words from your recently provided seed phrase. After providing the answer, you can tap on the Done button to proceed forward. And now, your wallet has successfully been created. You can now send and receive crypto to various individuals using your wallet right away. And there you have it. That is how easy it is to create your new wallet on the Bybit platform. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel for more useful tips and tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you again in the next one.